Hey guys, it's been a little while since my last video. I was going to do a new video introducing my new bike. I got the Kona Rove ST and I took it on the Massochista in Ashfield, Mass this past April, but I forgot my GoPro mount because I'm a dum-dum and I didn't really get much footage. I remember the GoPro, but I forgot to bring a mount, so didn't get a ton of footage. Here's some of it. I'm doing a few upgrades to the bike. I already swapped out the chainring. It came with a 40T chainring. I swapped that out for a 38 chainring. Not a ton of additional range there, but I have a new cassette on order, the Sunrace 11 to 46. Right now it has a 42 is the top. Today I'm going to swap out the stem for a Redshift stem, the suspension-y stem. All right, let's just do a quick little unboxing here. See what we got. To avoid permanent damage, read instructions before changing elastomers or installing. Here's the elastomers. Alright, so I'll pull this off for now. Alright, so it's already preloaded with the appropriate elastomers for my weight. So I don't need to change those, but I am going to pull this apart. I'm going to have to install it anyway. So we can look in the front. Alright, so the first thing you're supposed to do is take the stem off. I really need to get a mechanic stand. That was pretty painless, especially since I didn't have to change any of the elastomers. I'm gonna go do a test now. I already did a test run through a nearby cemetery with my DJI, so hard to say, DJI Osmo Action that I just picked up. So I did that with it mounted on the handlebars with the image stabilization turned off, and I'm gonna go do the same run, and here they are side by side. Well, regardless of how it looks in the comparison footage, it definitely felt great. I do need to tip the handlebars back just a tiny bit. I don't know if that's because I didn't put them back at the same angle that they were before, or the Redshift stem, the smallest one, is 10 centimeters longer than the stem that was on the bike. So I'm not really sure which is the culprit, but easy enough fix. Just loosen some of the bolts and ready to go. Cool. Well, thanks for watching.